So this just happened. Yeah, that's my kayak over there. Got loose in a small little wake. I gotta go get it somehow. I don't know how. I gotta jump in and swim, I guess. This is gonna be interesting. I'm stranded on the boat. Oh man. And I gotta pick up Michael in a couple of hours, so looks like I'm jumping in. Well, I recovered it. Can you hear it banging? Yeah, that's why I had it tied up kind of funky. It was drifting and cut loose, washed up on the rocks. Had to jump in and get it. Anyway, water feels good though. Now I feel filthy. So, and I just want to lounge and relax. But no, destiny does not permit me. Well, hope you guys are having a fun Sunday. I'm having oodles of fun, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Love you!